Welcome back. Some way easy bit won't appear for my chest just now. Now welcome back. So right now I get my guest in the house, and this one a swag, na female hip hop artist, swag, some kind of boyish thing steps. She follow the whole thing. We'll talk about that when she busting inside the building. All right. So easy bit, you don't set.
Yeah, we
don't set because she going to with swag now. So now we'll swag them up. All right. So ladies and gentlemen, help me make welcome SAEON in the building.
It's Javoy.
Know you one shot, told me my day. Tripping that swag.
How's it again?
36, 27, 39.
How's it again? You didn't pronounce my name well. My name is SAEON.
SAEON. Don't worry, we will correct her. All right, yeah. Correct. Welcome, Jay. Yeah. All right. Welcome on top of the show. Many of us always, get that name pronunciation wrong, just like I do just now. So, not be SAEON, not SAEON. SAEON,
I think I just come out one of those canes.
Flog me again. Make I give you.
Give me.
I like when they knock me. They flog me some kind of thing. They always, I be like that guy who I gist just now. That beginning. They like touches. You understand? Some kind of, I don't like the normal. If you just do me like this, they work for me. You understand? So the actual pronunciation now.
Now SAEON.
SAEON.
Boy, chick, SAEON Marita with the 87 swags.
Hey, wahala day. Easy bit. You hear that? Whole thing. Make sure talk again. So I think you all drop for your shoot some again. Make them know.
Yeah, what's up, people? It's the one and only boy, chick, SAEON Marita with the 87 swags.
Hey, hey. I say when I see. Wait, make I first start the gist from here first. Say from your growing up, say now tomboy things. Now you start from the growing up. I be along the line. You just gonna discover tomboyerism for the whole thing.
I like that word.
Tomboyerism.
Now from when I grew up now.
Okay.
From when I did small.
Yeah.
All my friends, them be boys. My mom see my mom say no they flog, she they box.
Oh really?
Shout out to my mom. But yeah, now when I dey grow up, I've been there. Just have this behavior because of the people who influence me
and the environment
where
you said grow
exactly.
Okay.
Na first I've been grow so.
Okay, and first start na house na land for
superstars.
Yeah, no be small thing. No men they will fall out from inside first stack. If you go first stack now, the artists they will do first stack. If you actually pass the full Lagos, so they're there all of the day. All right, shout out to guys that waiting for first stack. Yeah. How many brothers you get?
I get 2 brothers.
2 brothers, sisters, uncle?
2 sisters.
2 sisters. So that one all balance one kind.
Now me be the middle of everybody.
Okay.
Now me be the middle of the girls.
Okay.
So I just a special picking.
Okay. So on a good day now, say you they ever live life outside the whole tomboy persona? Like maybe one day we just see, SAEON just busting dinner gown, wear high heel, they flip her hair, they do things.
If you want to see me for high heel type, not too tight dress, but dress, skirts, everything, if you come my church.
Oh, really? On a church day?
Now only there I they wear,
Okay. But aside that, you just enter inside your...
Oh, man. Like, you don't understand how it is so comfortable to just wear this kind of shoe. Because every time before, when I they wear heels, I would just they worry, just they wonder, say, hey, God, as I they perform, I go, break leg, I would just,
Okay, so you find they wear heels, sir?
I wear heels,
Okay.
I don't rebrand.
Okay.
When I first come inside industry, diva, they do.
I can sing and I can bust things and everything.
But it didn't tire me, like because
no be your real self.
Exactly,
Yes.
So I just say, what, I beg. I just give away most of my girlish things, my shoes. Everybody will be my friend and don't really.
So how they happy with that?
I'm happy because I don't give out most of my shoes, most of my dresses. I can't dey shop for men's section. So like
really?
now, like this shirt now for men's section I buy them for this trouser men's section. Even the shoe too.
I mean, some people they must live this life like this. Not be everybody go do the thing. You understand? You just be like they do now, what they do woman up and down. Shout out to my guy Nene, me why they won't talk, sir.
Was fast.
Thank you. But your people for house, like your mom, she no get any problem with you, doing, I mean, she gonna look say, na girl I been born, no, but you know, the form man swag like this.
My mom say she dey tease me self. If I been talk, say, she said, I think say you be man.
Really?
You know be man, you be boy chick now. But she understands, say, waiting I dey comfortable with.
Yeah.
She don't say na woman I be.
Okay.
You know, but she self, she be sportsman, so.
Okay.
You know, I say na from her.
From that her sports side,
yeah,
no?
Exactly.
Okay, okay.
So,
all right.
Mother like daughter.
Okay, so that means, I mean, just balance, any. She said, na me born now. No worry. Na my pikin. Na me born now.
Shout out to my mama.
Shout out to Momsi. You know, my life, if you did anywhere you did.
Give my Momsi.
Give Momsi applause.
Apologize my Momsi.
They hate you. All right, so now you're doing, you're rebranding things. You know, what did they go on for the whole rebranding process? So now just the name, be some other things them day way, you know. First, before we even go that rebranding whole thing, small history about your music career.
My music career, I don't taste small.
Okay.
You know, I believe say when I started to do music, at least picking go don't turn 8 years.
Okay.
You know.
But that's not be rap. No, that's
time I singing I they do.
Okay.
When I started, they love music. Now when I been picking.
Okay.
And then now R&B, rap, hip hop I they listen to. So now all those kind of music will influence the kind of music what they do now, right? But when I started to do music, when I started to put out music underground, now 2008, professionally 2012.
Okay.
So the journey, it don't be like roller coaster. Just
the twist
one.
But they see your pictures there for screen.
Really?
Yeah. So
now maybe that.
They flip between. Wow.
Now that be the former SAEON.
So now the formerest
SAEON.
Formerest SAEON.
I just throw back. Now today na Thursday now.
Now throwback Thursday.
Now they do throwback
throwing back the Thursday.
SAEON. So
So this SAEON, where this one day now?
She there for back. She there for.
Yeah. Only on
she
Sunday she dey come
you know
out.
say for entertainment, not be
Yes.
everybody fit dey in front camera.
Yes.
You know.
Yes.
So this one, she did in front camera before.
Okay, so
but
she
then
don't
she can't
step
go
back of camera
backstage,
now.
uh-huh.
Okay.
So she dey
Then she dey
backstage.
show up sometimes on Sunday.
On Sunday.
Okay. She all bust out say, "Yeah, still there, yeah."
So like I say, it don't not roller coaster because it takes more before I find my sound for this industry where we did. So when I started to come out music, na R&B I dey come out, I dey put out. And then, I can't start to listen to people who could tell me, say, you need to have this Nigerian sound, you need to have this kini. I can't learn how to put, dialect for inside music.
Okay.
Can't make me versatile. So if you listen to things from way back when, you go just hear, say, she get this sound, she get that sound, she get this sound. So I believe saying that versatility will confuse people at first because before now, if you're a rapper, you be rapper. If you be singer, you be singer.
Try do the
if you be talker, you be talker.
Yes,
you understand?
yes.
So I can't confuse people, and the brand just know to stick. Now why I just tire for that thing where I did do before. Say you know what, and now the way I like to do, I'm going to do. And since when I did grow up, now hip hop, rap, and R&B will influence me. I will just try So I can't try one freestyle like this sometime last year. Okay. Now when they call Rico freestyle.
Rico freestyle.
Now Meek Mill and Drake first do Now that song will cause beef between both of them.
The two.
So I can't do my own freestyle. People can't they jam. I'm on the knock. I say nah, maybe this.
They're gonna look say okay.
I say okay, maybe make I just infuse the rap more. You know.
Okay.
Reduce the singing small, just mix them together.
At least do more. At least that's so that's how you can't pick up.
You can't pick up.
You can't from there. You can't find say okay, like my own sound.
Exactly, I can't be so confident because I know they push another person brand.
Yes.
I know they try to look like another person or sound like another person.
Yes.
And they know if you compare me to another person. So I just did so happy say I don't create that lane
for yourself at least. All right, so that all here, that's intro part and every. All right, so we'll quickly go on one break. By the time we come back from this break, then we will continue on top of the remaining gist with SAEON.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love am.